Hey, ducks. Hey, ducky, ducky. All right, so we're on site here. I am busting up some more rounds from the same location I got all this wood earlier. Mostly maple, but decent amount of shagbark hickory. But I'm also trying out this insanely massive sledgehammer. It's a Wilton from their Unbreakable series or line, and it's 14-pound head. I had this 10-pound sledgehammer head, got from Harbor Freight, and I thought that was heavy. Now I bought this, and the only reason I bought, two reasons I bought it, because the brand Wilton is just like that bench vise I got recently, but also she sold for 15 bucks. 15. This sucker retails for like 150 bucks. Don't ask me why, it's a freaking sledgehammer, but you know what? We're gonna try her out. Got a couple different wedges here I've accumulated over the past 5 years. Lowe's or Home Depot. This one I got from my dad, free from some like thrift store, don't ask me how. Got from Harbor Freight for like 6 bucks. You know, I didn't need it. I didn't go there looking for it. But you know, it's one of them diamond ones. It was 6 bucks. Why not? She's already cracked a little bit of checking there. So try out that diamond wedge. Take our working axe, give it a few chops. It's good. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. Let's be bold. Let's go right here. Hi. big boy here. This is a big boy. Suckers. This baby's thick. Alright. Go for round 2. Going right to the middle. Come on, she's cracking. She's cracking. See under there, what do we got? We got our cracks right there. All right, for the axe, baby. San Andreas fault. There we go. Hear it? There we go. Okay. Oh, she's bad. She's bad. Woo. That's 2. Look at these guys. Oh shit, they're coming. Look at this fucking thing here. I've been on this job about 4 or 5 times already. I'll be splitting wood over there. This motherfucker is in the corner of my eye and I keep thinking it's a person. I look over. It's this motherfucker. It's the king rooster. Look at you. Watching over the herd. See that crack right there? That's what you want. It's your primary crack. That's where you're going to put your wedge. All right, so we're on the last round here. I saved the big boy for last. And I think we're going to try to get 4 wedges in there. We'll see. Four wedge banger. Can we do it? Damn. That was easier than I thought. Whew. 14-pounder. Wilton Unbreakable Sledgehammer. Gets the job done. Whoa, hey, get back here. What do you think, John? What do you think? Do we have enough firewood? Do we have enough?